Hello, my friends on the internet. It is your friend Jack here, and this is day 202. Me making an app and doom scrolling. Hopefully, your social media addiction, phone addiction, and help people do more of what they actually want to do rather than scrolling on their phone. Now, today is nothing special, but I am here to tell you and showcase to you how far I've gotten so far. What I am. If you're new here, I'm going to show you how the app works. Do not worry. I'm going to show you what I've been working on. Well, the first things first, I have been recently working on a new user interface UI. Someone from Twitter named Kat has remade the entire UI, um, and not completely done with that yet, but I've started to implement what they envisioned, and it's really, really good. So get on the screen here. Pretty cool. This is what you're going to see when you first come in. Basically, most people coming will be tired of how social media and too much of it makes them feel. The whole idea thus far has been to help that feeling, to ease it, but not by taking away the apps. Most apps I know are going to block what you're trying to do. They're going to try to stop you. I'm not trying to stop you from opening Instagram. I am trying to rewire your brain to choose better things default. Because if you have a void and you stop using Instagram, you have to fill that void with something. So the idea here is to fill it with yourself, your own interests, your own passions, your curiosity, and fill it with taking action on the things you are genuinely interested in. Yeah, you, not anyone else, not your brother, not Billy, but you. Now the new UI looking pretty good, I might say myself. I'm now gonna just log in, show you exactly what it looks like. It looks kind of like this. I recently added a cool show you right now. I'm pretty proud of, and obviously I designed this, but it took me like 2 hours to do it because I'm very proficient coding. So I press confirm. You're gonna see you have a success screen, a bit cleaner, and I've started to redo the UI here. It's gonna take some time as I have to redo everything and basically change the whole layout. But let me show you how the actual app works and how it functions to help you real quick. So basically, you can see we have a plan here. Also, yesterday, a bunch of erroring as I was using a new AI model to generate plans, which took a bit too long. And my server request basically would take too long, so it would time out. It wouldn't give you a plan. It would generate it, but it wouldn't give it to you. It would say error. So I fixed that. I rolled back it to the old AI model, and the plans are still pretty good. Obviously, if you can just hold down a step and get help, but the whole idea behind this is to help you, okay? So we want to make the plans better. I am working on that. I want to make the plans as helpful as possible. I'm also going to add a new feature soon where you can expand and break steps down into other steps. I think that will be incredibly useful. But for now, how this app works is you are going to explore. There are 1,000 things you can explore here. You're going to find something you are interested in. This isn't an algorithm. This is a straight up raw list of things you can filter by different categories to see what you like. Maybe you like wellness, and you're going to get stuff in that category. Then, once you're there, you add stuff to your list, what you're interested in, and out of the things you have added to your list, your saved interests or curiosities, you can generate a plan. You can choose out of the list or get a random one out of that list, or add in something that's not on our list. Say you want to do um, chess boxing, something, right? You can add it in here. But in general, most people are going to choose the curiosity, will choose, let's say, writing, and their experience level, how much time they have. This is going to give you a that is either really segregated into time bits or has no time bits at all. Um, Basically, whatever you want. That's the whole point. We're trying to make it more customizable, or I am, and make more sense so it's easier to use. See here, we have a rough outline of a writing practice plan. That is going to come up every time someone hasn't generated a plan before. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Basically, do the thing. Okay, so the whole goal of this app is to get you to take the. I know there's 9 steps, but if you can take the first one, 100%, infinite ahead of where you were before you got this. And that is my whole goal. Get people to step one. Show themselves they can do it. Show themselves they can do it. Then hopefully they keep going. Because if they can do one step, now they can keep going. You can get started, you can keep going, and that is all I'm trying to do is to get people started. I know this app isn't amazing. I know it's not magic, but I think it can help a lot of people. Matter of fact, it already has. Live in the App Store right now. And that's how it's going recently. I'm just trying to get people to take this first. I know the plans aren't perfect. I know there's a lot of improvements to be made. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm making improvements. I actually haven't told people, but there is actually a focus strength trainer in here. What this is basically, and it explains it here, is it helps you build the muscle of focusing, siding away from the distraction, doing what you really want to do. And all this is the timer. Close your eyes, and breaths, and follow your breath. Yes, it's meditation. So that is also a big part of the app, which is kind of just hidden right now. I think I'm going to add that in to being able to be a way of getting free credits, meditate, because I do think that'll help people actually do the plans. But as I said, we're just trying to get people to take the first step. They can take the first. They are started now. Now they can keep going. Mission, keep going. Anyways, pretty much all I have. Yeah, I just fixed some errors yesterday. Added this style, made the loading screen actually cool. And that's about it. I'll be honest. It's going pretty good. This page needs to go. I'm remodeling it. Show you real date. This is the new. I didn't add. I'm choosing to use this from the new design file. My friend at on Twitter, and yeah, it's just way better. Honestly, new version, way better. So yeah. And this is kind of where we were at before. I showed you how first three screens go to login. What it looked like before, and this is what it's going soon. Is kind of for here. It'll look a lot better. For you page, obviously looks better. Past pages, it's separate things. Swipe to generate plans, all that good. So this looks a lot better. That's what we're going for. It take me about a month to get this in, make the tutorial, all that good stuff. Stamp the app. I think it's worth it. I think it will help more people. I think get more people to take the first. Okay. So yeah, up, guys. Great day. Check the links down below. Sorry, this was such a long video again. I don't know. Videos are getting long. But yeah. Tomorrow will be day 203. Next day will be 204. Yeah. You get the point. So have a great day. Maybe fast. Sleep well too. Get lots of sleep. Stare at the sun, exercise, all that good stuff. All right. Peace out.